Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we are making chocolate chip cookies and the recipe is listed down below in the description box. Do check out my Instagram handle too, and let's start baking. These are the following ingredients which we will need. Just take a screenshot and you can check back whenever you want. Firstly, I am mixing all my dry ingredients and I'll mix them and keep it aside. Just to be sure, I am using measuring cups. So I am taking about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, which is also known as maida. So I'll measure it out. This is the second cup going in and one more cup. This is the third cup. Sorry for the spill. So let's add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into it. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate and baking powder is sodium bicarbonate mixed with an acid. So this recipe calls for baking soda. Now I've added my baking soda into it. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm adding in my salt. I'll give it a good mix and keep it aside for some time. Now I'm mixing it well and I'll keep it aside. Sorry for the spill, guys. And now I'll mix in my wet ingredients. This is about 1 cup or 100 grams of butter. I'll give it a good mix and I'll add half a cup of desi ghee, which is clarified butter. This is a homemade butter. So I'll give it a good mix. Yes. Okay, in goes my 1.5 cup of white granulated sugar. You can also add brown sugar instead of white granulated sugar, but I have chosen white granulated sugar. Now blend this well till it becomes smooth in texture and light in color. Blend. Now I'll add 1 egg at a time. I'll blend 1 egg and then add another egg. If you have any queries related to the recipe, do comment down below and I'll surely answer. And if you have any request, do comment below and let me know. Okay, after blending the eggs properly, you can add vanilla extract, which is about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I was trying to focus, but the camera wasn't focusing. So the wet ingredients are done. I'll chop my milk chocolate into small pieces and I'll keep it ready. This is my wet ingredient bowl. I'll transfer it to another container so that the mixing process goes smoothly. So I'll add the dry ingredients in 3 divisions so that I can mix it properly without spilling. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, I'm folding in the batter properly. I'm just using my hand blender instead of spatula because it is quite convenient for mixing. So I'll mix it properly and add in my chocolate chunks. Now about the chocolate, I have used milk chocolate, but you can use any kind of good dark chocolate which you like. So I'll mix it properly. It should be somewhat creamy consistency, like the batter should be creamy. Now I'll add my choco chunks into it. Okay, it's about 1 cup of chocolate. Cookie batter is ready. Now that the batter is ready, we have 3 options. Firstly, you can just bake it right away, and the second option is you should keep in the refrigerator for 1 hour and then bake it. And if you want your cookies to be chewy and gooey from inside, you just refrigerate for 24 hours and then bake it the next day. For the baking process, you need to preheat your oven at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius at bake mode for about 20 minutes. Now that the oven is preheating, we will scoop out our batter. I have taken my baking tray. I have applied some butter on it. I'll take a spoonful of batter and roll it out and keep it on the baking tray. I'll similarly make 6 balls out of it. Okay, this is it. They'll spread out, so I have given enough space for spreading it out. Now that the baking tray is ready, we'll place the baking tray into our oven at about 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes or till it turns into golden color. I'm baking at bake mode. The bake mode is a function in which only the upper rods are the main heat source in the convection oven. This is an American recipe and it was originated in United States in small town called Massachusetts. So it got famous and then the whole world started making it, and it is a good recipe and it is a good snack recipe. You need to try this recipe. These are very tasty. They come out super delicious, and they are crispy from outside, soft from inside, plus the gooey chocolate. Once the cookies turn golden brown in color, which takes about 20 minutes, you can remove the cookies out from the oven and then cool it down on a cooling rack. Our cookies are ready now. You can have it with milk, tea or coffee, and you can also store these cookies for up to 30 days in glass jar containers. Thank you to all the subscribers who have been watching my videos. I appreciate it, and those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Your support means a very lot to me. You can stuff these chocolate chip cookies with Nutella, which makes them Nutella chocolate chip cookies, or you can replace the milk chocolate with dark chocolate, which makes them dark chocolate chip cookies. You can experiment however you like. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. We'll be back with another video, and you know the drill: like, share, comment, subscribe.